preschoolers and grown-ups. This week for our science and math activity, we have a hidden shape sort. So all you'll need for this is the shape stencil you'll get in your education packet this week, 3 triangles, 3 squares, and 3 circles that'll be cut out and also given to you in your packet this week, a baking tray or a plate even would work, and I'm using oatmeal, but you could also use flour, salt, sugar, really anything that you can use on your baking tray to hide your shapes. So I got my baking tray from the dollar store. It's clearly very used, and I just found these in my cupboard. I think they're pretty old, so I'm just going to use them up instead of eating them because I think they might be too old to eat. So for our hidden shape hunt, you're going to take your tray. You'll get 3 sizes of each shape. So these are triangles, and I have a big triangle, a medium triangle, and a small triangle. You'll also get 3 different sizes of squares, small, medium, and big, and then you'll also get 3 different circles. So you can lay out all of your shapes on the tray or just a couple different ones. I'm just going to do my circles to show you first. So I'm going to put these on my tray, and then I'm going to cover them with my oatmeal so I can't find them anymore. Doesn't take too much. Oatmeal is nice because the pieces are a little bit thicker until it is all covered. So then you will take turns with your grown-up trying to find a shape. I know that all of my shapes are circles, so let me show you what you would do if you only have one shape on your tray. I will put this up here so you can see your shape stencil. And I'll start looking. So you might want to spin it around and mix them up a little bit so they're moved. And then I'll try and feel if I can find one. Ooh, and luckily they're colored, so I can pick one out. Oh, grab it off my tray, and I found a green circle. I'm not sure if this is my medium or my big, so I'm just going to put it on my board here. You'll have yours on your table, so you won't need tape, but I want you to be able to see mine behind me. So I will stick this here in the medium spot. I think it's medium. So then if I was playing with someone else, it would be their turn. I can shake it up a little bit, mix it around. I still can't see anything. The oatmeal works great for that. Look again. I can feel the oatmeal texture. I'm looking for more of a paper texture. Oh, I think I might have found one. Yep. See here? I found a blue big circle. So I'm going to arrange my shapes by size. Another thing I can practice here is my colors, naming my shapes, and also ordering them from biggest to smallest. So I have one more circle left to find. And let's see, I can even, if I was thinking before I started my game, I could have even noted the colors I had. I know I have a green and a blue. I think my other circle was, oh, here we go, purple. This is obviously my little purple circle. So that's the simplest way to play this game, is just with one shape. Use your little paper to organize them by size. So I have my big blue circle, my medium green circle, and my little purple circle. Oops, fell off my board. There are lots of other ways to play this too. So I'll take them off my board. This time, I'm gonna kind of scooch my oatmeal over. I can reuse it for lots of turns. This time I'm gonna add just a few circles. I'll do a medium green circle and a small purple circle. I'm gonna say the names of each shape as I lay them on my tray, just so I can practice the names. Next, I'll do my little yellow square. This is gonna be hard to find, it's so small. And my medium-sized square. And then I'll also put in my small triangle and my big triangle. And then my grown-up can help me hide them. Cover it with my oats. Here like that. Make it a little bit more for my more shapes. And I think everything is pretty well covered. I don't want to turn it too much and have everything fall in my lap. Pretty well covered. So if you sift it around like so, you'll get all the oats or the sugar or the flour, salt spread all over the place. So let's see, I would go first. I'm playing with myself, but you'll have a grown-up with you. And I found my purple, what is this? A circle. My purple circle. So I would add this on my paper, kind of like a sorting paper. It helps me keep track of what I found. So I will add my little tape to it so you can see what I found. I'll just put it overlapping my circle. So another fun thing to do is your grown-ups can surprise you with what they've put on the tray. Maybe you don't know what you're looking for. That could be fun too. Keep looking. Let's see. Oh, I feel paper underneath my oats. I found a triangle. I found a black, I think this might be my small triangle. My black small triangle. So I'll put this on the triangle section of my paper. Should be right there. Triangle. So I would go back and forth until I found all the shapes on my board. I already see my big, maybe this isn't my big. Oh, this was my medium green. My medium green circle, I'll put that next to my small purple circle. And now I can count. I have 1, 2, I found 2 circles. Go back to my tray here. Look around. Oh, I feel some paper. I found my big yellow triangle. Sort that into my triangle section on my paper. Right there. It looks like I'm still missing a lot of one shape. I haven't found any squares yet. I know I put down my little square, so that's going to be hardest to find, I think. So I can look here. Oh, I found an orange square. So I have 1 orange square. And I have 1 more left to find. So let's see. Can I find it? Harder than it looks. Oh, there it is. And my itty bitty yellow square. So I'll add a little circle of tape to it. And there it goes. So you can play this with an even bigger sheet or a smaller sheet. It's just nice to kind of help with shape recognition, so we can practice saying triangle, square, and circle. But if you have other construction paper or scrapbook paper, you can also do different shapes or even letters of names, and that's a nice way to practice finding and kind of playing with different materials and also organizing them. So those are a couple different ways you can play with this, and I hope you have fun trying it out. I'll see you soon. Bye.